Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance reward vouchers. First, we'll cover finding your vouchers, then redeeming them, and finally, how to best utilize your 20 USD. This guide will help you maximize your rewards on the platform, ensuring you understand each step clearly and confidently. Let's get started with locating those valuable vouchers. Finding your reward vouchers is straightforward. After logging into your Binance account, look for the Reward Center or My Rewards section, usually found under your profile icon. Here, you'll see a list of all your current and past vouchers, including any 20 USD rewards. Always review the terms and conditions for each one. Once you've located your 20 USD reward voucher, the redemption process is simple. Select the specific voucher you wish to use and click the Redeem button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the details and confirm. The 20 USD will then be instantly credited to your Binance Spot wallet, ready for use. With your 20 USD now in your Spot wallet, you have several options. You can trade it for other cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange, or use it to participate in staking or savings products to earn passive income. Alternatively, you might choose to withdraw the funds to an external wallet, or simply hold onto it for future investment opportunities. The choice is yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.